guys, check this out, man. Fucking trucks broken down on the sides of streets. Condition so bad you can't even see 10 feet in front of you. Where am I, you ask? Where could this be? Could this be Alaska? Could this be the frozen Arctic of the North Pole? Why? Where are all the penguins, you ask? Where are all the polar bears? There are no polar bears in America. We're in Grand Rapids. I'm sure to die, but before I go, I want to leave this desperate message to all my friends and family. As I slid around these corners, trip up in the snow, wait for people to drive in the wrong lanes, stupid motherfuckers. I want to tell everybody that I love you, and it's important to know that I'll be watching over you. Meanwhile, pray for me that I get home to my lovely hotel room and I am allowed to sit in the warm comforts of my room. Please send donations to this needy cause. Don't write my name. Put my my fund down, which is Costa's Amazing Special Hospital. That's right, I own a hospital for special people. Please though, just put the initials CASH or cash. And do quickly, because I think I'm going to die. Right.